Type test. Oof. Okay. My highest is 122, and I did 133 last test. Okay. I think we can get at least 110. Frick. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just raging at a typing test. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna finish this. At least 100. Okay, I had 100. My raw was 110. Okay. I'm not working out. Ooh, so close. 110. Oh my god. Got it. 97% accuracy, but I got it. Alright. My raw is 115. I think my typing speed has became better, because when I started my typing speed was something like 48, and yeah, about like a few months later it's pretty good now. And I'm probably gonna make a video on the Zen browser later, so be sure to check it out. I'm still researching, but we'll see what happens. Okay, bye.